Hi, we are peer tutors for Biochemistry 107, and today we will be discussing visual mapping as a learning tool. The video will be geared towards Biochemistry 107 and will provide tips on how to memorize the biochemistry mechanisms in the class. Visual mapping provides many advantages. These advantages include organization of complex material, memorization of important topics, and clarification of broader concepts. We have 4 different types of visual maps. The first 2 are process maps and cause and effect maps. A process map should be used to show relationships between ideas, while a cause and effect map shows the cause and effect of a specific topic. The basic idea of making a visual map is to start with a core word. Later, you can add branches to link other concepts to the core word. There might be sub-branches of the branch, so you can make the tree bigger and bigger, depending on the amount of material in the chapter. Be careful to balance the amount of information on your map so that it summarizes the material. You only want to put important facts on a visual map. You should not copy down all of your notes on the map. It should be simple to read and contain only important information. We have 2 examples of visual maps that are relevant to Biochemistry 107. The first map is a Venn diagram, comparing and contrasting insulin and glucagon. The middle section should discuss similarities between the topics. For instance, both pertain to blood glucose levels and are secreted from the pancreas. The outer parts of the circle should indicate differences between the topics. For example, insulin is secreted from beta cells, decreases blood glucose levels, and is secreted when glucose levels are high, whereas glucagon is secreted from alpha cells, raises blood glucose levels, and is secreted when blood glucose levels are low. The next type of visual map combines a lot of large concepts, like glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. This map would be used to organize things like location, substrates, and products of the cycles. Since each process has different variables, it is important to compare the variables on one map. Creating the visual map will allow you to compare and contrast each process. We wrote down fast facts that are likely to be tested on. The use of color markers is also extremely helpful when making a visual map. It can be used to show similarities and differences between the concepts. Once you have completed a visual map, challenge yourself by explaining it to a classmate. The classmate can double check your work and even add suggestions for the map. If you are able to create, explain, and memorize a map, you will be more prepared and confident for your next exam.